This unit is set up with Gilbarco protocol and be working with either an EZ console or a MPC console talking Gilbarco protocol. But right now it's in standalone. We've just brought it online. We have not hooked it up yet, but I'm going to go into programming by pressing the program button and pressing F1. Password comes up. The password is 2716. Enter. This address for this unit is number 1. I'm going to make it number 2. Enter. F1 again, console. Right now we're in standalone, which is 0. If I hit a 1 and press the enter button, then it will be ready for a console, but I'm not going to do that until we hook it up. Price. The price will always come from the console, except for if you're running pulse output. If you're running in as pulse output with a TMS 800F console or a card or key system, then the price will have to be entered out here at the unit. So I'm going to enter in $3.499 and press enter. Saving, as you see it, it says interchange. If you hit enter again, it will say saving. F1, slowdown point. I usually set this to be at 0.8, enter. 0.8 will stop at about 25 cents before the end of the sale. 12 will actually stop at about 50 cents short of the sale. F1 again is pressure. Should we have a problem with a long hose or need to worry about a jump, we actually will enter a 1 in there, and during the reset, the hose will bounce the small valve and pressurize the hose. Hit F1 again, timeout. If this unit would allow how many minutes, that if it was authorized and being used with a console that you didn't want it to stay authorized, or it was already approved, it would time itself out, and you can allow that. At 00, it's indefinite. F1 again, I'm back at address. To get out of this, cancel once. If I hit F3 at this time, that'll tell me money. I've actually pumped 4 cents. F3 again is 33 thousandths of a gallon, and the software version. That's VR 1207G. Pulse rate is 1024. Money, volume, and software.
Now, one thing you might talk about is how the totals, when you're displaying your totals, and it goes above the maximum amount displayable in the gallon window, the larger numbers will go up to the money window.
Okay, we're going to show that. The totals are read as this far. This is actually will go to $9,999, and then the next 10,000.
It'll show a 1 there.
All right, to 20,000, 30,000, and so on. Let me go back in there. Program F1. This is going to be 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 is here, and millionths of a gallon is there. So you start reading from top to bottom for your money and your volume.
Okay.
Another way to retrieve your totals is using a magnet. Works extremely well with the Tokheim or Gilbarco. With the Bennett with the large glass in front of it, you don't have a strong enough magnet to retrieve the totals. But with the cover off, there's money, there's volume, and the software. Money, volume, and software. And all you have to do is wait, and it will cancel out within 15 to 20 seconds. Works real well with. We're actually going to develop a glassless phase for Bennett, and we'll be able to use the magnet that comes with the VRR to retrieve totals on a Bennett.
So yeah, it just went back.
And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple installation, nice clean installation, and a whole lot better than a VR10.